Artists, it's Mrs. Allen. Today we're going to take a look at a slideshow that I will be showing you again when I get to see you in person in class. This slideshow really helps us express and share our individual likes and our individual differences. We're going to do this through famous pieces of art. This will let me learn a little bit more about you. It will let you learn a little bit more about each other, and it will let you learn a little bit more about me. This is called What Artwork Speaks to You. We're going to take a close look at different pieces of artwork, and you are going to be able to tell me what art speaks to you. And when I say speaks to you, I'm not saying what actually starts speaking to you. The Mona Lisa is creepy enough. She follows us around with her eyes, and if she starts speaking to us, I might run out of the room screaming. So I'm not talking about that kind of speaking to you. I'm talking about what type of art you relate to, what interests you, what grabs your attention, what do you gravitate towards. And different artwork might gravitate towards you because of the colors or shapes. It might be because of the style. It might be because what's in the image really relates to something you love. Those are the type of things we're going to be looking at through this slideshow. So here we go. Just take a close look and then we'll discuss it in class. This first one, famous portraits. We have lots of different styles. Which portrait speaks to you? This is a page full of still life artwork. Now remember, a still life is a display of objects that cannot move on their own. Which type of artwork or which still life speaks to you? Next we have famous land, city, and seascapes. Which artwork speaks to you? Ooh, next, famous artwork with animals. You see color, the medium, what they use to make it, the type of animal, whether it's farm animals, domestic, like dogs and cats that you have at home, or animals out in nature. Which type of artwork speaks to you? And our last page, famous art of things I like to do. Now you might not like to do all of the items, but which one speaks to you the most? Now from all these slides, when we come back in class, I want you to think of which one speaks to you and why. Is it based on an interest, a memory, the art itself? Maybe it's something you want to start doing. Maybe it reminds you of something. But that's what we're going to discover. What art and how art speaks to you, and how it's just a great way to tell a story. And I can't wait to learn about your stories when I see you in the art room. So see you soon.